Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of AP Biology Crash Course. I'm Sam Salter and today we'll be going over plant function and form. Let's check it out. So, plants are one of the most abundant life forms here on Earth today, and they're way more complex than you may think, and also super necessary to our survival, and to your AP Bio career. So, how do these all grow? Where does it start? Well, it starts in a seed. Everything for a plant starts in the process of germination, which begins with the little seed we were just talking about a second ago.
The process of germination begins when the seed is planted in the soil and receives water. The water uptake allows enzymes for growth to become active, such as gibberellins, and inhibitory or dormant enzymes like abscisic acid to stop functioning. At the same time, the water absorption creates swelling and the seed coat cracks and the roots begin to form and anchor the seed in place, thus starting the life of a plant.
So we know how a plant germinates. We know that if we put a seed in the ground and we add some water, that roots will begin to form. But when does the sprouting happen? And how does the sprout know to grow up and not down? And how does it know where the sun is? How does it get to the sun? Are they really that smart and know where everything is?
Well, the plant knows to grow towards the light due to a response known as phototropism. Phototropism works because of photosensitive cells on the newly formed plant that when exposed to light release auxins to the side of the plant in shade to increase the amount of cells that bend towards the light.
So we know that auxins and photosensitive cells help a seed turn into a sproutling like these. But how does it maintain that growth, and where does all the water go? And how does the water travel up and down the plant?
When water is poured in the ground, or from rain, the soil has a higher water potential than the roots who have a lower water potential. Thus, because of the laws of water potential, the water moves to the roots who absorb the water and the nutrients. Water is an overall essential part of a plant's life. From growth to its role in photosynthesis, it's clear plants need water throughout their form. The water, after going through the root system, makes its way to the xylem, which basically is the piping or plumbing of the plant. The xylem works through a cohesion and tension system that operates through the fact that water sticks to itself due to the hydrogen bonds that form between water molecules. An important part of this cohesion tension system is the factor of transpiration, which takes place here on the leaf. The leaves are home to many cell structures, known as stomatas, that look like little openings. They are in charge of bringing in carbon dioxide. When they are open, it also causes water to escape via evaporation. Therefore, the plants are in a constant tug of war between gaining carbon dioxide and maintaining water. The cohesion and tension system works to replace any water lost on the leaves because water quickly rushes in when water is lost from evaporation.
So we know where the water comes from and how it moves to the cell, but what it's actually used for is photosynthesis, but I don't think we've really gone over what photosynthesis really means.
Essentially, what photosynthesis is the creation of glucose out of water and carbon dioxide with the help of the sun. It all starts in the granum, or a group of thylakoids in the chloroplast, which use water and sunlight to extract hydrogen electrons and attach them to ADP and NAD+, to create ATP and NADPH, which then go to the Calvin cycle, which uses the energy on those to fix carbon dioxide into a usable glucose form for the plant.
So that's it, we've done it. AP Crash Course is over. I hope you understand what plant function and form is, and I hope you ace that AP Bio final. Good luck everyone.